Hey guys, it's Chris here, and this video is on April 15th, 2018 on Sunday, and we reached 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, I just checked it out right now. Right now it's at 10,002. There it is. And you can see that's 10,000. That's a lot of zeros. With that said, that was the whole video, and stay tuned for future content. I want to let you guys know that I haven't been posting that much. However, I did write a program for content creators that I'm coming out soon. I'll show the icon right there. But that program, I'm hopefully going to distribute it to people who make videos on Adobe Premiere and Sony Vegas, stuff like that. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for future content. And thank you for 10,000. That's a lot of zeros. How many is that? 3, 4 zeros? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Yep, 4 zeros. Now I can attend some YouTube events, but lately they haven't been putting up much. Hopefully they will. Am I in focus? Okay, there you go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.